Welcome to Hustle Empire, the channel where I teach online creators methods to make money online and become financially free. Imagine reading an email and being paid for it 30 seconds later, reading a second email and receiving payment 30 seconds later, up to 100 times per day. There is no obligation and no investment required, simply earning money online from any location. Are you seeking a novel method to generate money from home? Today I'll demonstrate how to earn money by reading emails. You are compensated per email sent, and you can send as many as you like. The greatest aspect is that it requires neither money nor special abilities, only time. This process can be completed on a smartphone or a laptop. I hope you're having a great day and are eager to learn a new way to make money online from wherever you choose. Prior to proceeding to the platform, we must first review the necessary requirements. Do you have an email address? I assume that the majority of you already have email addresses. For those who do not already have one, I recommend creating a Yahoo Mail account. With a few taps from your search engine and after inputting your information via Google Pay or the App Store, your email address is created. After installing the application, you can establish an email address with it. Why do I suggest Yahoo? Well, they function best with the website where we can read communications and earn money. Have you ever used Gmail or Hotmail? Additionally, these are compatible with the upcoming platform. The second requirement is to establish a new free PayPal.com account. If you don't already have one, create one immediately so you can immediately begin receiving money from the platform for reading emails. Again, you can create a PayPal account in a matter of seconds by going directly to paypal.com or by using a search engine. Have you established an email and a PayPal account? Perfect. Let's make our way to the platform. The website paytoreademail.com is the platform we are going to have a look at in this video. Let's examine the website beforehand to see how the platform operates. The opportunity to create an account on this platform is readily apparent in the upper right quadrant. Before making an account, let's review the entire homepage. As we scroll down, the website's primary focus becomes apparent. Reading can boost your income. You will receive daily paid emails in your inbox and be compensated for each confirmation of viewing. But how precisely does it operate? Examine the very bottom of the homepage. 3 straightforward methods for earning money for reading emails. Subscribe to and read email. Receive payment rapidly and effortlessly, just as we enjoyed on this channel. Consider the following reasons for joining paytoreademail.com. Daily emails are sent to your inbox, enabling you to earn money on a daily basis. 2. Quick payment processing, with payment received within 24 hours. You will be paid when you reach a minimum of $15, which can be reached on the first day of joining paytoreademail.com. When you activate your account, you will automatically receive a $3 sign-up incentive. In addition to being compensated for reading emails, you can also be compensated for completing brief surveys based on your personal opinions. 6th, a third method to earn money on this website is to refer friends to paytoreademail.com. I hope everything is clear so far. Before we start, if you have a query, please rewatch the first half of the video or leave a comment with your question. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications during the remainder of this video so that you don't miss any of our incredible money-making videos. You can now create an account by entering your first name, email address, and password at the top of the page. Then, you will be redirected to your account, where you can enter your last name and zip code, approve the terms and conditions, and mark the box stating that you are not an automation. Your account has been activated, and after only 1 minute of work, you have earned $3 on paytoreademail.com. We will now discuss how to earn money efficiently on paytoreademail.com. Participating in paid surveys, where you can earn at least $1 per opinion-based survey, is the first method. Let's examine some surveys that we can all participate in, and I'll reveal a strategy for earning $2, $3, or even $5 per opinion-based poll. The 4 categories of surveys are your surveys, Dynata surveys, opinion surveys, and survey time. It is helpful to know that both the number of Dynata surveys and their duration are limited to 1 per day. Paytoreademail.com places such a high value on these surveys that it has added a bonus reward for completing them. If you complete these limited surveys first, you will automatically be qualified to participate in higher paying surveys in your survey survey time zone and survey area. In lieu of the lower amount, these surveys may pay between $2, $3, and $5 for each completed survey. The finest paid surveys are always located at the bottom of the page. Currently, they cost 50 cents and 60 cents. After completing the restricted surveys, however, the higher paying surveys will appear here. When you click on a survey, you will be redirected to a new page where you can enter your information and begin responding to survey questions. After completing the survey, you can view your earned currency points inbox and referrals on the right side of the interface. It is encouraging to know that pay-to-read-email.com highly values honesty and integrity. Let us briefly examine what they anticipate from us. We appreciate you taking the time to respond with candor and honor. This gives you the ability to influence the advertising, products, and services you utilize. If you provide false or misleading information or complete the survey in a hurry, your eligibility to participate in future surveys may be restricted, and you may not receive credit for completing this one. Thank you for providing considerate responses to surveys. The second method involves reading emails to earn additional cash. In order to earn money in your pay-to-read account, you need only click to affirm reading each email you receive from pay-to-read-email.com. When you select Earn More for reading emails, you'll be redirected to your inbox. You can accept and be compensated for reading up to 100 emails per day. Please monitor your pay-to-read email inbox at least twice per day to see if any new paid emails are available for acceptance. What are the requirements if you accept an email? Well, the email will be delivered to your personal inbox, such as your Gmail account. Next, read the email and browse to the bottom of the message to locate the required link. This link leads to the website of a company that paid for such email advertising. When visiting this website, you are required to remain active for at least 30 seconds. Being active on this website involves visiting other pages, browsing through the homepage, etc. Your payout will be in your account in 30 seconds. Let's review everything once more. Accepting email in your pay-to-read-email.com inbox is the initial step. Step 2 is to access the email in your personal email account, such as Yahoo or Gmail. The third step is to read the entire email and then select the bottom link. Step 4 requires at least 30 seconds of activity on the link's website before your payout appears in your pay-to-read email account. Returning to pay-to-read-email.com, we will not investigate the cash offers and point earning strategies because they are not always available, and we will instead focus on rewards rather than cash. If you have accumulated at least $15, you can request a payment by navigating to My Account and submitting a payment request. Prepare to receive your funds by entering your information and PayPal account details. You can now earn hundreds of dollars per day by reading emails and completing brief surveys. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content about making money daily at Hustle Empire.